Hi, as today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quick login into your Roblox account on another device. So simply, first of all you need to do just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with, and then just go here to the URL and type roblox.com and hit the enter button. Once you click that, if it's your first time, they will not show you this page. Let me just go here, create a private tab and type roblox.com. So of course, if it's your first time, you'll find this page right here. Of course, if you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up, fill this normal information, birthday, username, password, gender, and sign up. And of course, if you have an account, just go and hit the login option right here and then login into your account. So of course, if you log into your account or just created your account, you'll find this as your home or as your main screen. Of course, you'll find here maybe another games, and of course, if you want to quick login from another device, all you need to do, just go and hit this settings button at the top right corner and then click add quick login. So of course, from here, as you can see, log into another device, make sure only enter code that you requested and never enter another user's code. So where you're gonna find this 6-character code, simply just go back to our private page, and from here all I need to do and click add this login option. Let's present that another device, maybe your phone, maybe another PC, and of course from here simply you will need to click add another logged in device. So when you click on that, they will provide you, or they will give you this code. Simply you'll need just to go and copy it by hitting the Control C, or of course you can remember this code, then go back to this page and paste your code here or just type it, and of course you will need to hit the enter button, and that will actually quick login you into your accounts from your other device. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.